So first, Sophia, can you start counting? We're going to do some counting first, okay? Can you start counting forward? Can you start at the number 396? 396, 397,
390.
the last one you said was 399. Not sure? Let's do this one. Sophia, can you start counting at 96?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try that one.
96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. I don't really like when I get the this like 9, 110, 111, 112.
Okay, Sophia, you can stop there.
Okay.
Now I'm going to ask you to count backwards. Can you count backwards by 10? Can you start at the number 120?
Oh, yeah.
Can you go down by 10?
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
119, 118, 100.
The last number you said was 118. Are you not sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know why I get mixed up.
Let's move on. That's okay. Can you read this card?
80 minus 6.
Can you work it out?
I just have to remember. I know it's going to be somewhere in 70.
It's going to be somewhere in the 70s?
Yeah.
Sure. That's good thinking.
74.
How did you do that? What did you say with your mouth?
What I was doing basically is, I know like the 10th fact, like 10 minus 6 equals 4. I was kind of using that to help me do this one. And I knew like 80, 81, 82. I knew that's going to be somewhere in the 70s because it has a minus sign. And I combined those two tricks together, and then it just helped me figure it out.
Okay, well done. Another question for you. Can you tell me 30 less than this number, 63?
Wait, what did it say?
Can you tell me 30 less than 63? And what I'm asking you to do is 63 minus 30.
Oh, okay. 33.
Talk me through what you were doing. You were your lips were moving. You're sort of.
Yeah, I
I mean,
kind of
what were they saying?
I kind of were like, sometimes when I'm like doing in my head, my lips kind of move.
Sure.
That's what they do sometimes.
Can you tell me what you were thinking in your head?
So, I know like 6 minus 3 equals 3 basically.
Uh-huh.
And then I know like if you add something to it, like any kind of say that, and then like if you added 10, it would be like 73. So, same with minus. If you minus, it's gonna be how much ever you're minusing, it's gonna also have that 1 with it.
Okay. The 1 stays, right?
Yeah, the 1 stays. And since it's just like crazy for me.
Thanks, Sophia, for explaining that. All right. Some questions now with these 10 strips. I
Yes.
have one. I'm going to move these out of the way. Let's just focus on this one strip. And then I'm going to put these with it. Can you tell me how many I have there?
14.
Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more strips, and then I'm going to cover them. Can you tell me how many I have under there now?
64.
How did you figure that out?
You said you were gonna put 5 strips, and I know the other 10 strip. I added it with the other 5. I know 5 plus 6 equals 10, and pretty much it's like that. And then basically I know plus a 4 probably would be more like that. On the 60, if you add a 4, it would be 64.
Okay. Well done. Now I'm going to take 2 out. How many do I have under there now?
$44.
What did you do with your fingers there?
What I was doing is I knew something in my head. 5 plus 2 equals. No, wrong one.
Huh?
Basically, 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Uh-huh.
I knew that, so since I knew that, I knew if it was a 50, it's kind of the same like that. You take away that 20 basically, and then there's 30 left. And then there was another 10 strips, so you add it there, and now it becomes a 40. And basically, if you add a 4 with it, then it will pretty much become 44.
Well done. Thank you for explaining that to me. So we've been working with strips of 10 or sticks of 10. How many sticks of 10 do I have on this?
I'm not going to count all of it. I'm just going to think it's 100.
It's 100. So how many? There are 100 total ones. But thinking about all of these ones in terms of tens, how many tens do I have on this sheet of 100?
10 tens.
10 tens. 10 tens is 100. So I'm going to put this 23 with it. Can you tell me how many I have there now?
123.
Can you write that number right here? Thank you, Sophia. Okay, thank you. You can erase it. That's all I needed, just to see you write that number. Okay. And then, one more question for you about these rectangles. This top rectangle is 7 units long. This bottom rectangle is 11 units long. Can you tell me how much longer the bottom is than the top?
Well, I kind of use like pluses.
Sure.
That's what.
Whatever strategy makes sense to you.
That should be 4.
4 units.
Yeah.
The longer one than the top one.
Yeah, I was using counting up.
You use counting up. All right, thank you so much, Sophia. That is all I have for you today. We're good. That was it. Yay! Thank you for doing math.